Hey, I'm Angela from Angela Marie Made. Today I'm sharing the 3 best and easy ways to distress wood using paint. Each of these methods will provide a unique and beautiful distressed wood look. Let's get started. The first way and my favorite way is creating a weathered wood look. It's perfect for making new wood look old or just giving that distressed wood look to wood furniture or a wood home project like an accent wall. The first step is to stain your wood, or start with wood that is already stained. Then you apply a whitewash or color wash, which is paint diluted with water, over the stained wood. You can also dry brush paint over the stained wood too. Any kind of paint can be used, but I prefer to use latex paint. The last step, which is the magic distressing wood part, is to distress the finish with sandpaper. I prefer to hand sand with a 120 grit sanding block to achieve the best control over the final look and to not take too much off of the finish at once. The first time I used this weathered wood method was when I was trying to achieve a distressed gray wood paint finish. The weathered wood gray finish was achieved by creating a gray wash wood look on our wood desktop. I also used this finish on our DIY entryway bench. My favorite weathered wood finish ever though was our DIY farm table top finish, which is featured in my Weathered Wood Recipes ebook, which I will link below this video. But you don't have to do the weathered gray look with this technique. There are endless finish options you can achieve using this technique. For example, we did a more natural weathered look using black paint to distress the wood on our DIY coffee table. To distress wood is with chalk paint. This method works great if your base layer is another paint or finish where you don't want the wood grain to show through, because the chalk paint method provides so much more coverage. My favorite chalk paint project is our vintage buffet. I found it on Craigslist and its original finish was a mix of dark wood stain and black paint. I painted it with Annie Sloan's old white chalk paint and distressed all of the edges by hand sanding with the sanding block. Chalk paint really is that simple to use. You don't need to prime your wood or furniture, you can just get right to the painting. I love using Annie Sloan chalk paint. The quality is really excellent. However, my favorite go-to chalk paint though that's easy to find and more budget friendly is the RUSTOLEUM chalked paint. The chalk paint method works really great on decor projects as well. I've used it on my picture frames for distressing the edges. The third best way to distress wood with paint is the whitewash method. It looks beautiful over raw wood, but you can use it over stained wood too. I especially love how it looks over white oak. Whitewashing wood is super easy. You just mix white paint with water. And then wipe it into the grain of the wood with a rag. Make sure to check out my How to Whitewash Wood video to learn more details. I love the whitewash look for a more subtle or light distressed wood look. I used it on our crate side table for a quick and easy project. And that's a wrap on these 3 methods. The key to all of these working out and having it look the way you want on your actual project is to test them out beforehand in a really small hidden area to see how it's going to look on your actual wood project. Also, don't forget to check out my Weathered Wood Recipes, which is linked below. It has ready to go, easy and beautiful distressed wood finish tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun DIY projects and tutorials. Thanks for watching.